Over the Ocean by Taro Gomi. The book takes place in an unknown location along a shore. It's just about a girl who stands at a shore and overlooks the ocean and is curious as to what's on the other side. I feel like the illustrations and the text go hand in hand because the bottom half of the book never changes. It's still the girl overlooking the ocean, and the top half changes into whatever she believes that it is. I believe she has this much imagination and creativity because she has a blank canvas of clouds at the beginning of the book. So she sits there and contemplates it all while she stands there. Sometimes she believes that it's more ocean, other times she says it's cities, farms, maybe a country of ice. At the end, she thinks that it's just another girl standing at the other side doing exactly what she is, contemplating what's on the other side of their side of the ocean. I think that the theme is curiosity. It can encourage students to remain curious because there's more than what meets the eye. And as a strategy or activity, I would have the students approach me with a topic, and once approved, I would have them draw a picture of with colors or have at least 3 to 4 colors in it, and have a paragraph underneath that or a couple sentences stating what it is that they're curious about and an answer or what they think the answer is to that question. I relate to this book because I was a really curious girl. I always asked a bunch of questions, even in the wrong times, but I would always ask questions about absolutely everything.